What happened, as far as we know, concerning the human species? Here we must report findings and not theories, in order to make a valid comparison with the statements of the Bible and teachings of the Quran. According to the firmly established notions provided by the study of human fossils, bones and teeth, the remains which have been identified lead us to think that about 4 million years ago, in Africa, there existed living beings gifted with intelligence, not only using tools, certain animals are capable of this, but even making tools to be used, a capacity of invention achieved by no animal. These first hominids were called Australopithecines. I think that this designation, which is beginning to date, is not correct, for it suggests a link with the apes from which they obviously differ. However that may be, they had a morphology similar to us in numerous respects. Biped posture, for example, although they were much smaller and had a skull capacity of only about 500 cubic centimeters. According to today's knowledge, they represent the most ancient generation, but it may not be excluded that future discoveries will push even further back the date of man's first appearance on Earth. We do not exactly know when this first wave died out. 1 million years from us, 600,000 years ago, we do not know. The second wave was that of the Pithecanthropes, or Homo erectus, identified in Africa, Asia, Indonesia, and Europe. Their size was closer to ours, with a larger brain, about 900 cubic centimeter in average. They discovered the use of fire. They would have existed during periods ranging from 5,000 to 150,000 years before our time. With the third wave, Neanderthal man, whose remains were found in Europe, Africa, the Middle East, and Java, the brain develops even to exceed the human brain of today in volume. This wave, it seems, was of a shorter duration, between 100,000 and 40,000 years. At around this latter age, the fourth and last wave appeared, bringing in today's Homo sapiens, who seems to have evolved very little to date. A negative fact is of the utmost importance. We have never found the link formally joining any one of these forms to any animal lineage, even an intermediate between primates and the lineages that I have just mentioned. At the International Congress of Paleontology, which took place in France in Nice in October 1982, this point was clearly emphasized.